Mark, tell us a bit more about the charges facing Sarkozy.
Well, this was a much-awaited ruling by France's top court, the Cour de Cassation, as it's known, because prosecutors have wanted for over 2 years to send Nicolas Sarkozy and 13 other officials from his party, from this communications company known as Big Malion, to trial. And Nicolas Sarkozy and his lawyers tried to prevent that. They said there were some irregularities, and so this took a lot of time. And today was really the final ruling. It said yes, he should be sent to trial and face charges of illegal financing for his 2012 presidential run, which he ended up losing against the socialist François Hollande. Basically, Nicolas Sarkozy said, my accounts from the campaign were already rejected in 2013 by the overseeing body, the Constitutional Council, so there was no reason for another trial. The difference is that in between that decision to reject his campaign financing in 2013 and now, prosecutors have found that it was a much bigger scheme that was used, and we're talking about 20 million euros of fake invoices to his party that were in fact used for the campaign. So basically, the judges have said, well, it's a totally different issue, and there will be a trial.
And this is not the only corruption case he's battling right now.
No, he's already been sent to trial in another case for influence peddling and corruption, for which he could face really tough prison sentences. Basically, the story was that he tried to obtain information from a high-ranking judge in exchange for a promise that this judge would get a posh job in Monte Carlo. In the end, it never happened, but the decision was to send him to trial for that. He's also under formal investigation for a possible financing of another presidential campaign back in 2007 by the regime of Muammar Gaddafi in Libya. There'll be a decision soon whether he should or not be sent to trial, but clearly legal clouds are gathering over the head of Nicolas Sarkozy. He's already going to face 2 trials. Obviously, he'll defend himself. There's no guarantee that he will be convicted, but clearly he's already said that he's not going to make a political comeback. This makes it nearly impossible, although impossible is never a word you should use with a politician.
Mark, that's true indeed. Thank you very much indeed, Mark Perelman there.